Now what you're going to do, you're going to want to take these screws out. These are what holds the heatsink on. And now we should be ready to separate the heatsink. Yes, there we are. Heatsink is removed. You want to make sure you wipe all the heatsink compound off, rubbing alcohol or something similar to that. Make sure it's all off before you reapply it. And always reapply new thermal compound. If you don't, you're just asking for problems. Some people have gotten away without doing it, but I would rather not trust it. And with that removed, we can now separate this. Folds up like this, and there are actually some tabs in the back that hold it in place. The tabs hook in right here. Just everything aside. And there we are. These two pieces are what you're going to be reflowing. The CPU and the GPU. Okay, now that we have the board out, we're going to go ahead and start the reflow process. This is the heat gun that I bought. Bought it at Sears. It's about $75. It's adjustable. You want this, I believe, between, I don't know, 400 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, roughly, something like that. You want to do this for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. You want to do it in swirling motions while you do it. You don't want to hold it in one place too long. And when you start out, you want to heat both sides of the board just very, very slightly. That way you can get the board somewhat hot and kind of evened out. So I'm going to go ahead and start the process. Now that I have my board preheated, I'm going to go ahead and start the reflow process. After you do this, you want to slowly pull the board down. Now once this is finished, this is very, very important. Do not touch the board. Let it set for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do not move it. Okay, now that this has cooled down, we're going to reapply some thermal grease. I'm going to apply a few drops, maybe a line or two. You want to make sure you smooth it out with a credit card. You just want a thin coat. And once that's done, just reverse the disassembly process, put it back together, cross your fingers. Now that we have it back together, let's power it up and see what happens. There you have it. Fully functional PS3 again. Hope this helped out anybody that was wanting to attempt this. And once again, like I said, I take no responsibility for anything that may happen. But hopefully it'll work out for you okay. Like I said, this is my second time doing it, and it's worked out great both times. Alright, thanks for watching.